Before we released GPT-4, our latest model, we spent over 6 months external red teaming and dangerous capability testing.
Have you ever talked to a chatbot that can answer any question you have, teach you something new, or even help you with your problems? If not, then you're missing out on one of the most amazing technologies in the world. I'm talking about OpenAI's ChatGPT, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how it is so vital in today's world. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses a deep learning model called GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. GPT-3 is one of the most progressive language models in the world, capable of developing coherent and diverse text on any given prompt. ChatGPT is a special version of GPT-3 that is fine-tuned on millions of conversations from the internet, such as Reddit, Twitter, and Wikipedia. This means that ChatGPT can mimic human speech patterns and styles and respond to you in a natural and engaging way. ChatGPT utilizes a neural network architecture with 175 billion parameters, which determine how the model processes input and generates output. This makes GPT-3 the largest language model ever created, surpassing its predecessor GPT-2 by more than 100 times. ChatGPT leverages this massive amount of data and computational power to learn from a variety of sources and domains, and generate relevant and informative responses to any topic or query. ChatGPT is also trained to adapt to different conversational contexts and tones, such as casual, formal, humorous, or professional. For example, in this request, ChatGPT is using a professional tone to explain its features and capabilities in a clear and concise manner. However, ChatGPT is not the final word in conversational AI. In fact, there is already a new version of GPT in development called GPT-4, which is expected to have even more parameters and capabilities than GPT-3. According to some sources, GPT-4 could have up to 1 trillion parameters, which is almost 6 times more than GPT-3. This would enable GPT-4 to handle more complex and nuanced language tasks, such as reasoning, summarizing, translating, and generating images from text. ChatGPT-4 is the name of the chatbot that will use GPT-4 as its underlying model, and it is anticipated to be released sometime in 2024. ChatGPT-4 will be able to have more natural and engaging conversations with users, as well as provide more accurate and useful information on any subject. In summary, ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses GPT-3 as its core model, which is one of the most advanced language models in the world. ChatGPT can generate coherent and diverse text on any given prompt, and mimic human speech patterns and styles. ChatGPT can also adapt to different conversational contexts and tones, such as professional. However, ChatGPT is not the ultimate chatbot, as there is already a new version of GPT in the works called GPT-4, which will have even more parameters and capabilities than GPT-3. ChatGPT-4 will be the chatbot that will use GPT-4 as its core model, and it will be able to have more natural and engaging conversations with users, as well as provide more accurate and useful information on any subject. But how is ChatGPT so vital in today's world? ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool that has transformed the way we communicate, learn, and create online. It is a conversational language generation model developed by OpenAI, a research laboratory founded by some of the most influential figures in the tech industry. ChatGPT uses GPT-3, one of the most advanced large language models ever created, to generate natural and coherent responses to user queries and requests. ChatGPT was established in November 2022 and quickly became a global sensation, reaching 100 million monthly users in January 2023. According to similar web estimates, there would be more than 266 million visits to the ChatGPT website by December 2023. ChatGPT has also attracted the attention of major tech companies, such as Microsoft, which has integrated ChatGPT into some of its services, including Azure. ChatGPT's popularity stems from its versatility and usefulness across various domains and tasks. Users can chat with ChatGPT about any topic they're interested in, from sports and entertainment to science and history. For example, a user can ask ChatGPT about the latest news on the COVID-19 pandemic, or the best movies to watch on Netflix. ChatGPT can also provide information, advice, and guidance on various subjects, such as health, education, and business. For instance, a user can use ChatGPT to get tips on how to improve their mental health, or how to start their own online business. ChatGPT can even generate creative content such as poems, stories, essays, and code based on user inputs and preferences. For example, a user can request ChatGPT to write a short story about a superhero or a code snippet that performs a specific function. ChatGPT's impact on society is profound and far-reaching. It has the potential to democratize access to knowledge and education, as anyone with an internet connection can use ChatGPT to learn new skills, languages, or concepts. For example, a user can use ChatGPT to learn how to speak French or how to play the guitar. It can also enhance productivity and innovation, as users can leverage ChatGPT's intelligence and creativity to solve problems, generate ideas, or automate tasks. For example, a user can use ChatGPT to brainstorm solutions for a social issue, or to create a website for their project. ChatGPT can also foster social interaction and engagement, as users can have fun and meaningful conversations with ChatGPT or use it as a companion or friend. Therefore, ChatGPT is a vital tool in today's world that offers immense benefits but also requires careful regulation and oversight. Users need to be aware of the limitations and dangers of using ChatGPT and use it responsibly and ethically. Developers need to ensure that ChatGPT is transparent and accountable for its actions and outputs, and policymakers need to establish clear and enforceable rules and standards for the use and development of ChatGPT and other similar AI models. One of the most exciting developments in the field of AI is the launch of GPT-4 by OpenAI in March 2023. GPT-4 is an upgrade of GPT-3 that offers several new elements and improvements over its predecessor. GPT-4 is currently available only to ChatGPT Plus subscribers and developers using the ChatGPT API. Some of the key features of GPT-4 are improved language understanding. GPT-4 understands language better than GPT-3. It can realize terminology, recognize and interpret complex words, and recognize various words' meanings based on the context. Multimodal input and output. GPT-4 can handle not only text inputs, but also images as well, and generate relevant and coherent responses based on both modalities. Longer context, GPT-4 can handle input and result of up to 25,000 words of text, over 8 times the 3,000 words that ChatGPT could handle with GPT-3. This allows ChatGPT to provide more remarkable context in its responses, as well as bear larger text inputs. Creativity and collaboration. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. In conclusion, OpenAI's ChatGPT is a vital tool in today's world because it can generate natural and engaging conversations on various topics and languages. ChatGPT can help people communicate better, learn new things, express their creativity, and have fun. ChatGPT can also assist researchers, educators, businesses, and developers with various tasks and challenges. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. See you next time!